No, I don't do food
I think that's good
coloring.
now. Is that good, Aunt Mary?
What are you making, girls? Watch your fingers.
Making icing.
You're making
Oh, we
icing
need more sugar.
with a lot of vanilla extract.
Oh, boy.
Okay. Okay, let's turn it off so you can add more sugar. I think that vanilla soup was lovely.
Can you smell it?
It smells yummy.
What are you making, girls? What's the icing for?
Yay!
Is that sugar?
Yeah, huh? Okay, we'll fix it.
Well, it needs more vanilla now.
No, it doesn't, Birdie. It's really good.
It did.
Dough.
Mary, did it explode on you? Your finger looking
pink
good.
No, the girls get to do it, Birdie.
I know, I'm showing them. I was just getting them started.
Okay.
I wanted to put in the picture.
I know you did.
No, you can do more now. Just
Okay.
need one thing to
Move
put a lot
over
of
and
it
let your
aside.
sister up.
Are you making pink icing with the? Oh, look at that! Look at that. Okay, I think that's good.
Yeah, what do we got? Oh my gosh, that looks. Oh, you guys did a great job.
Yes, you might wanna. You might wanna. Yeah, great job.
It's gone crazy.
Did it go crazy? How did it? Why did it go crazy?
Okay, now you put this on top of your French toast. Right before you put the syrup on and the butter. We'll keep this out because you can decorate your French toast with it. Go put this on the table, Eva.
Please, thank you. Thank you, Birdie and Aunt Mary.
Should we stuff these with, should we take half of them out and stuff them with cheese and bake them?
I can do that.
Oh yeah, you like to cook.
Silly girl.
Eva.